Hello and welcome to our tutorial videos. To order a new phone system, select Orders, and then New Order. You can see a list of different options we have. For this time, we're gonna choose MyCloud PBX. Here, you can see all available options. Note, this pricing is gonna be unique to each user. For MyCloud PBX you have two options. You can select per extension including local, national, and mobile calls, or you can have per user, no included calls. Included calls will be extra. Select an option, and click Continue. Here, you can specify the number of extensions or users you'll be using. Click Continue. On the fee step you've got two options. If you already know how to configure the PBX and want to configure it yourself, you can choose self-activation. If you'd like assistance from our team, we can help you to configure it. Select the assisted setup option. On the step 5, hardware, you can specify if you need any extra hardware. If you've already got your hardware, you can click No. Otherwise, you can select Yes to choose from a list of our available hardware. We'll add 5 of these to go with our 5 users. Here you'll also see up-to-date stock information besides the hardware model. After selecting the hardware, you can enter the delivery address details, and click Continue. On the right-hand side you can see the summary details, with the updated hardware delivery address here. On the step 6 you can enter your reference, and the friendly service name for your MyCloud PBX. Whatever you type here will be your friendly name, and you can see that the service name will be derived from that. Once you are happy with the selection you can click Submit Order. Click the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions, and then click Proceed to Order. The system will display to you one final summary to confirm your order details. Hit Submit Order and the order will be generated. Within 5 minutes, you will have access to the service and can begin adding phone numbers and configuring it.